first, bend this side in, and then all you want to do is tuck it in like this. That is beautiful, mate.
End of your production.
Right, welcome back to another video. Today we're just adding window deflector. We're going to fly through this one, Steve. It's only about £1 million. Let's go in here. Nope. Speed event. Bottom there. Oh. Getting paid by the hour here, much. Getting paid by the job. Fucking nice. Bottom there, top there, slide it through, slide it, tuck it in, hold up that window. And then just don't open, once it's in, oh, there we go, just let it set. I never use the metal clips because they're fucking solid to take out. So that's done there. That one. This one in first, bend this side in, and then all you want to do is tuck it in like this. Right. Front one, that's fucking beautiful. That'll do that much. That'll do. Come on, see, come here. See on this side here? There she go, baby. Get a zoom in there, Mosh. Get a zoom in. Zoom in. Yeah. Window deflectors in. This one here, no in. Yeah, there she go. There she go. Look a bit empty. Go. There's your back view. Played about 1 million times. Fucking so easy to do. I never use the metal clips, never. Fucking shite. Pointless. That is beautiful, mate. That'll do that much, that'll do. Right, so let's, we'll do a quick one of that one, Sleep. Quick fire one, Sleep, quick fire. Right, top in there, bottom in there. Shove it in, tuck it in. Shove and tuck, shut the door. Nope. Top it. Up, that's it. Beautiful. Front in first. Front in. Bend it. In. Tuck. There we go. So you stand on that side. Oosh. all the way in. Now just don't open the windows for about 24 hours, just leave them like that. I'm not going to be opening, it's fucking freezing cold.